love and support that you've been giving us throughout. My name is Shahrukh. Today we are continuing the part 2 of graphs that we were discussing in the last session. Now, as I have told you, if you click on the function part, you will get different types of graphical representations. Let's check it for linear equation, quadratic equation. So for example, here I just type y equals to 3. Then you see a graph here on this context. And at the same time, if you do it for a quadratic equation, y is equals to x square plus 8. You will see both the graphs at the same time. Now if you want to insert it, click on insert and you will see both the graphical equations on your graph, which will give you a better representation of how you can solve this problem easily. Thank you so much.